Hi, this is Rakesh Roy and you're watching Real Technology. In this video, we will show you how to create an Administrator CMD shortcut in Windows 10 or 11. So other methods are also available. So in this video, we will show you one quick shortcut to create it. So let's start. If we need to run the CMD as administrator, we will click on a start menu or search CMD and then run as an administrator. But in this video we will create a shortcut. So just right click on desktop, new, and then go to shortcut and paste this command here and click on next, and then change the shortcut name from here. You can mention anything. Let me change it. Okay, then finish it. Okay, the shortcut is created now. So now right click on it, open properties, then click on advanced, and then click on run as an administrator and okay, and then apply and then okay. And now if you run this CMD, it will open as administrator. So our shortcut is created successfully. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.